Hey guys, so we come to Sanur beach to visit, give you an update on what is happening now here during the rainy season. A lot of seaweed. We also heard that many businesses are closing and moving out definitely because some part of the beach were blocked by some VIP. But everything looks quite normal as long as I can see.
I still remember before last time we come here, we eat here, the noise.
Yes. So this business is moving definitely here. Just being renovated or demolished. We don't know. Looks like this section of the beach is.
Yes. So I can do this.
So yeah, that's definitely being demolished here.
Swimming big guy.
Yeah. Yeah, so it starts to rain. Better we find some shelter. Yes, we had breakfast once here and now looks like that. Did they forgot some wine? Oh no, they are empty. Okay, I will continue to. Yeah, everything is demolished, no?
Sorry?
There are businesses like moving out from here.
Yeah, they want to build a beach
Beach club?
club.
Really?
Two people.
Yeah,
Two people.
I was expecting something better. Like they will make it more like workable or something. A beach club is the money
So
maker.
sad.
Yeah.
Why beach club, no? I think like before maybe
Yeah, you know, they always say in the news, no, not beach club, hoping something like that. But of course, money speaks. Big fish eat the small fish, or that.
just want to make one beach club and everything is together.
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't think it's that a big disaster. It is just a small section. No? There's still a place to move norther and norther until Buleleng, no?
Buleleng already. And they want to make airport in Buleleng.
Yeah.
Don't forget to buy some. Ito ka lang dito.
Oh, yeah, there.